Everybody, Double P here, and in today's video what we're going to be going over are the 4 key steps that you need to have to be able to have a highly successful options trading account. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a trading system. Now your trading system is going to be set up with a certain criteria of rules so that you know exactly when to be able to place the trade based on your trading system and the parameters that you set up for your trading system. So let's go over here and I'm going to show you what my trading system consists of. Now, why did I pick this particular set of indicators to be able to build up my trading system? Now, what separates my trading system from a lot of other trading systems out there that may or may not have these ingredients put together into a suite of a rule-based system is I've sped up all my indicators. Remember, probably about 98% of the indicators on the market today are lagging indicators, which means they are behind the trend.